up, guys? Alright, we're gonna clean these lobsters real quick. I'm gonna show you how to clean them, get some little extra meat out of the head. Then we'll take them up here and put them on the grill. Cook them with some, maybe some Old Bay, throw some butter on there and throw them on the grill real quick. Alright guys, run your fillet knife around the body right there. Cut that. Give it a twist. Get that little extra head meat out of there when you're doing the knife. Break the antenna off. We're gonna come up. We'll call it the port, whatever you want to call it. The exit hole, whatever. Come out the other side, but there's your clean that out. Throw that overboard. We're gonna take this one. We'll split it up center. We're gonna split it up the back. Same thing. Gotta work it nice and sharp. We're gonna lay it here. Take our fillet knife. Split it right down like that. Split this one like that. And then we'll have these ready to throw on the grill. Alright guys, we're gonna do that little surf and turf. Throw this lobster tail on here. Got them split up earlier. Got the steaks. Steaks are almost already done. It don't take that long for the lobster. Gonna throw a little bit of Old Bay on there. Then we're gonna throw a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning. A little bit of that. Throw a bit. You can't go wrong with butter. If you can keep it on there. Throw that butter up on there. Get that butter on there. Steaks are almost done. It don't take half time for the lobster to go. About 6 to 8 minutes on the lobster. And then he's gonna be the secret, guys. Don't tell everybody, but just a little bit. Gonna put some mustard on there. I know, I ain't never heard that. We're gonna try it now. You're gonna learn today. You're gonna learn. So we're gonna try some of this. We're gonna give it about 6 to 8 minutes. Come out when it's ready and pull right out of that shell. That butter seeps in between the shell and the meat. You all the fucking way, girl. Hold on. Oh yeah. That's off the chain. I'm gonna call that one off the chain. What are you laughing at over here? What you got? Wait, what's so funny? Whoa. Oh, you're not eating all that steak. Are you eating all that steak? No, for real. Are you gonna try to eat all that steak?
No, but look how big they are. They're all
I know,
big.
no. See? You're only this big, but the steak's that big, and you're trying to eat the whole thing.
They're all big.
Yeah.
Coconut.
Huh? What?
Coconut. Bill. Yeah, coconut water. Look.
Oh, hey.
So, Papa.
Ooh, Wild Island girl. Get her some coconut milk. Let me see.
Drink it.
Here's a bonus, guys. Get it.
Drink it, bud.
Bonus girls eating coconut milk.
Nice to go drink it.
Oh, she ain't drink it. All right.
Do I just drink
Yeah, hit it. Hit it one time. Go. That's that wild coconut milk, ladies. Look, we're not at the mall. That's wild coconut. There you go. And that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Oh, well, she said it ain't that good. You wanna try it? Wild coconut milk. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Do it.
What's white thing?
Yeah,
Coconut.
that's
You want
coconut.
Hi, okay. The white thumbs down.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hack by Macy says thumbs down on the wild coconut milk.
Thumbs down.
Bray Bray says, let's see what Bray Bray says.
Thumbs up, baby.
Hit it. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Which one? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Thumbs up, dog.
Hurry. We're gonna end this video. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Which one you want? Ah.
Hey, just sip it like a cup.
Huh?
Sip it like a cup.
It's disgusting. No, don't.
Which one you like? You like it or don't? Which one? Thumbs up? Alright, give me a thumbs up then.
So you want
Ooh,
again?
Bray Bray says thumbs up. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and we out of here.